Hello, today I'm going to show you some stuff I picked up at Target and Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. So first of all, I found this cute little magnetic list pad. It says, I think you're fantastic. Aw, sharks. So I'm going to give this to my son's teacher for Valentine's Day. The mascot for my son's school is the shark, and fantastic is something that they say, so I think that'll be cute. I also picked up some gift tag rosettes, and so there's 6 of them, only for $1. And so 2 of them have the same little heart pattern, and that one has a little bit extra part. Oh, and a missing backing. So I'll just snip off that little part there and then add a glue dot, and it'll be fine to use as a decoration on a tag or whatever I choose. There's one white heart, there's one that says you and me, XOXO, and hello love. So those will look cute on tags. As tags, it'll look great on a scrapbooking page or whatever you choose. Then I found these really cute confetti. They're black arrows. Not sure if you could see that. And also it comes in this neat little jar with a cork top. And I saw another video with these, and I thought, well, if I see these at Target, I'll pick them up. And wouldn't you know, the last jar there was these, so I felt like it was meant to be. So I think this will look really cute in like a little shaker card on tags. You can Mod Podge them on something, put them in a vase, or use them as table scatter if you're feeling really adventurous. Then I found some spatulas that were only $1. I thought I had some red ones, and I'm pretty sure I did pick them up, but didn't bring them down here for the video. But these would look super cute on their own, of course, or if you want to put them in with an oven mitt or pot holder, where you can give it as a gift with cookie mix or brownie mix or something like that. I did some of those for Christmas, and they were really fun, so I think they'd be cool for Valentine's Day too. Then I found the ever popular metal mailboxes. So again, these are only $1. This red one comes with the pink notification flag, and the white one comes with the red notification flag. And I also saw like a lavender purple mailbox there. It's super cute. They open. So what I plan on doing is decorating them, most likely with vinyl, but I'm sure you could put paper or felt or ribbon or glitter or anything else on here, or you can leave them alone. Especially this white one you could use for just about any kind of holiday. You could use them, obviously Christmas just passed, but if you wanted to do something for St. Patrick's Day, you could add some green on here. You could do them for Easter, or you could just, you know, do it with a cute little saying or your house number or your last name or whatever you want. So anyways, I thought I would do something with those. And then the last thing I picked up from Target are these jars. So this is the only thing that wasn't $1. These were $3, but you get 2 of them. So they're only $1.50 each. And so what I was planning on doing is giving one of these to my son's teacher along with the paper pad. And so I'll probably fill this with candy and then either decorate the top or the sides with her name or a cute little Valentine's Day saying. Maybe put a tag around it, I'm not sure. But yeah, these would be fun to give to a neighbor, a friend, teacher, anybody. And oh, like I said, $3, and if you happen to have a Target Red card, you get 5% off also. So something to keep in mind. So then I went to Dollar Tree, and I picked up some things that I had seen other people pick up in videos. So we'll start with this. Let's move this. So this is just like a clear sign. I wouldn't even call it a frame since there's no backing and there's no hanging thing added. So it says wine o'clock, which is great. But what I want to do is take off the wine o'clock and reuse this for something else and put another cool saying on there. Obviously I'd clean it and it looks a little crooked, but I can't make this for $1 and I'm willing to work with it. So like I said, I'm just gonna take off the wine o'clock, put another saying, and then just hang it up. So I'll just hang it up with a nail on the back, and I think that'll be cute. I also picked up something similar, which is a Let's Go Party Flamingo shadow box type thing. It comes with a little ribbon to hang, and it's backed with paper. So I got this idea from another channel. She actually picked up the same thing, and what she suggested was to cut out the backing, take out the pom-poms, take out the flamingo part, and take off the Let's Go Party. So that way you can reuse the frame and the glass, just like the wine o'clock, and put your own saying. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works. Then I picked up some flowers. So there's 5 little roses. No, 6. Some of these are smashed and a little sad. But what I plan on doing is putting some in a vase that I got from Target, just put it on my table. But also what I want to do with 1 or 2 of them is make a little hair barrette thing. I'm going to an event that's Cuban themed, so I thought it would be nice to have some flowers in my hair and stick with the theme. And lastly, I picked up a sign. So what this says is love. And it's white, it's a little weathered looking in spaces, and then it has the red love letters and then this sort of like galvanized tin textured heart. So it's pretty simple. I could have made it, but would I have been able to make it for $1? No way. So I just picked this up and I'll put this on my front door. It's very similar to the one I had for Halloween, which I also picked up at the Dollar Tree. So I just thought this would be cute and, you know, doesn't break the bank for $1. So that's it. That's my Target, Dollar Spot, and Dollar Tree haul for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.